How to reset Steam game data. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to reset your Steam game data. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to disable the cloud save option in your game. So as an example, I'll do this with Monster Hunter World. So I'll just right click the game, go to properties, go to general, and then after that what you want to do is to make sure that the Steam Cloud is switched to off. So it says right here, the Steam Cloud stores information so your product experience is consistent across computers. So basically what Steam Cloud does, it keeps game saves in the Steam Cloud for Monster Hunter World. So what you want to do is to disable that if you don't want to keep game saves for your game. And then after that, to fully delete the game data, what you want to do is just go to your file explorer, and then after that what you want to do is to just look for your Steam folder. So mine will be in my C drive. So I'll just go to my C drive, and then after going to your C drive, just go to your program files x86, scroll down until you see Steam. So just double click on that, and then what you want to do is look for user data. So once you find the folder for your user data, what you want to do is to right click user data, and then after right clicking it, what you want to do is to delete it so that you will delete all of your data from your game. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to delete your Steam game data.